I'm looking at a Ampex preamplifier, tube preamp on eBay. It's about to close in a couple of minutes, as you can see right there. These are a very probably unknown or underrated preamplifier. Now, Ampex usually put these in the console along with the monoblock amps. Now I have one of these. I think I've got the later version because my one has 4 dials on it, and the tubes on this one here are inside the case facing up. Mine are at the back of the case in the same style as a Marantz 7, and having owned a couple of Marantz 7s, I can tell you that this one, hang on, it's up there somewhere, this one plays as good as a Marantz 7, and I think the tubes in there are the Telefunken 12AX7. As you can see, I've got an extra dial there, different layout on the buttons, and that was pulled from a console, and it plays superb. It's a keeper. That's not going up for sale. They're so hard to come by. So this one here, we're at what, $355. This is untested. Probably hasn't even plugged it in, and didn't mention what tubes were in it. I mean, if there's 4 Telefunkens in there, which Ampex were renowned for putting in there, amps, tape decks, the tubes are worth, if there's 4 12AX7s, they're worth 60 a piece, 60 to 70. From the back there, it looks like a Dynaco preamplifier. That's the underside of it. 28 seconds to go. I'll get back to that. Oh, you can probably see it right there. And there's the tubes. I think there's 3 12AX7s and 1 12AU7 in there. AX7, yeah, that's right. So, alright, 12 seconds to go. See if anybody knows what they're buying. If they get it for 335, it's a deal, I can tell you. Worth restoring. Oh, somebody's got a bargain. 335. Sold. Good deal.